In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the upper cab-mounted door seal on this Ford F-450. Let's get started. Take a plastic trim tool and pop all the clips off. Well, this is what they look like. This one came out of the seal, but take all these clips out that hold the original seal in place. Kind of just pull out on them. And up here, once you reach the top, you can just peel it right off. There it is. And at the top, make sure you line up the groove on the seal right here. Well, on the other side, this is a groove. Tap it into place. And at the end here, you're going to want to tuck it behind the fender. There you go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.